We've been meaning to show you all the progress we made in our sawmill building project. But we've had our hands full. Here you can see we've gotten the last of the rafters and collar ties on. These are spruce 2x8s. This day, in addition to putting up the last few rafters, we've added the gable end studs and the rafter tails. All the lumber for framing for this project is material we've milled here ourselves. But I'm getting way ahead of myself. Let me show you what we're working with here. This is a Woodland Mills HM130 Max bandsaw mill. It can cut 30 inches wide, and with the track extensions we have, it can mill lumber 16 feet 6 inches long. And if you want to see that in action, you'll just have to subscribe to our channel for future updates. You like how subtly I work that in? The building itself is 33 feet long by 14.5 feet wide. Because we have a 16.5 foot limit on the length of lumber we can mill ourselves, the building dimensions, the longest sections being the rafters, have necessarily had to fit within those parameters. That's part of the reason we opted to add on rafter tails to shed water beyond our foundation blocks. As for the foundation, we're using these concrete V-lock retaining wall blocks. They measure 24 inches high by 24 inches wide by 6 feet long and are set below ground level 8 inches. The bottom plate, made of 2 layers of 2x6, is anchored to the blocks with Tapcon concrete screws. The walls are studded with 8-foot tall pine 4x6, 4 feet apart on center, with another layer of doubled up 2x6 for the top plate. All of this is screwed together with GRK screws, which are excellent by the way. We need an opening that's big enough to accommodate 16-foot logs, so a steel carrying beam spans the opening and joins to the timber frame. One end of the beam is supported by a 6x8 with a 4x6 leg to it. The other end is a 6x6 with a 4x6 leg to it. We use these Timberlock timber screws, which are also excellent. This beam has welded tabs every 4 feet, which are bolted to the top plate. A 4-foot knee wall made of 2x6 gives us the necessary height and pitch for a metal roof that we'll be making progress on in the coming weeks, and that'll be another video. Okay, that's all from Pine Hollow. Until next time, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. We love the comments, keep them coming. Okay, Dad, shut it down.